There are a number of resources that you can look for. First and foremost, I would advocate that you ask around. Find out who was building homes in your neighborhood most recently. Find out who the local area contractors are. That's going to be your best assistance in terms of finding out how much will it cost me to rebuild my home on my home site. Don't necessarily agree with the insurance company numbers because they will use a program that is national in scope. It is not necessarily unique to your particular area. Another very important factor that oftentimes gets lost in these particular software programs that the insurance company use is the fact that because of how widespread this disaster and these fires have been, there will be a premium placed on materials and labor, and those software programs will not pick that up. So if you go local, that will be your best bet.